Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Soundcore earbuds with your iPhone. So first you have to open this charging case, and now you just have to wait until they synchronize with each other's, and after a few seconds they will move to the pairing mode automatically, so you don't even have to press on any buttons. So keep that case open and go to the settings, click on the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher. Okay, here I have some kind of the notification for other device, but never mind. We have to select our Soundcore Sport X10. There we go. And next we have to open the App Store, click on the search pool, and we have to type Soundcore. So we are going to get this application. Okay, and as you can see right now we can open this application, accept all the permissions, click right here, and right now we can sign in with our account, but I'm gonna skip this step actually. So click OK, and as you can see, when we previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, we can already find them in the application. And there we are. So yeah, that's all for this video, hope you like it.